Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making a Christmas tree out of my stockpile, out of my detergent stockpile. So before we get started, I have already like some detergents that I have on the side, which I'm going to use like different like detergents, and I also cut out some cardboard to put it on top of it to make it more sturdy. And I got some Christmas light, and I also made this like little star, but it's supposed to put like glitters on top of it, but we'll do that too. So we'll get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the like Tide first, and I pick on the corner so the kids won't come over here and be, you know, playing and stuff. So I'm gonna just use the corner. Here you go guys, that's the last two in here, and in the bottom part I have 18 all the way, like 18 tides in here. And the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put cardboard on top of it. I just cut up like circle cardboard or oblong, it don't matter, as long as you get something on the top to make it sturdy. For the rest to these, put on. Now I'm gonna put some more Tide, because I'm using like Tide on the bottom part. Then we're gonna do game, then we're gonna do all the way like the Tide Simply.
All the way, bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
This is the last one on the second part, and I have like 13 all the way in this second one, and now we're gonna put the cardboard on top of it. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do the game. So I like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then I got 12 gain on the third one, and we're gonna put a cardboard. Another cardboard. Two, 4, 6, 7. So I got 10 on the next one. And cardboard. So I have 8 on the top. Now I'm gonna put another cardboard. Should be the last cardboard. So this is gonna be the last one, guys. We're gonna put our star on top of it, and then we're gonna put like a Christmas light around it. So I have the Christmas light here.
A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas.
Alright, so now we're going to try to turn it on. Oh. This looks nice already. The colors popped out. So here you go guys, and I want to put the receipts on it, but we're not gonna do that because it gonna mess up the look of the video, look of the tide and the popping out of the colors. So that's it. Simple. You like it? With a simple Christmas tree out of our stockpile. And tell them, hope y'all like it.
Okay.
You like it? Tell them. Say, hope y'all like it. You like the light? Pretty. So that's it, guys. That's so simple and it's so easy to make, and it's just like take you 5 minutes of work probably. So that's it. For everybody, for a child's safety to make sure that y'all watch your children around it. And because if the children can pull one of these, it might fall on top of them, and it's really not a real type of Christmas tree for everybody that got children. So be careful.